In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Teamgantt Power Up for Trello. We'll start from your Trello workspace. Open Trello in your browser or app and head to the main boards view. This is the home base that shows all of your boards in one place, which makes it easy to choose where you want to enable the integration. Next, open the board where you want to use Teamgantt. You'll need to have admin access on that board to add power-ups. If you're not an admin, ask your board owner to grant you permission before continuing. Inside the board, look toward the top of the screen or the sidebar for power-ups. This is Trello's plugin system, and it's where you control enhancements like calendar views, reporting, and, of course, Gantt charts. Click Power-Ups to open the management panel. In the Power-Ups panel, select Add Power-Ups. This opens Trello's directory of available add-ons. Think of it as an app store specifically for your board. Use the search bar and type Teamgantt. As you type, the directory will filter results. Select the Teamgantt listing to view details such as features, reviews, and the permissions it needs. Taking a moment here can help you confirm you're enabling the right tool for your workflow. When you're ready, click. Add on the Teamgantt listing. Trello may prompt you to authorize the power-up to connect to your board's data so it can display tasks on a timeline. Review the prompt and then confirm by clicking Add or Enable to finalize. That confirmation is what activates the integration on your board. After it's added, you'll see Teamgantt appear in your board's power-ups list. From here, you can manage settings, temporarily disable it, or remove it later if your needs change. If the button seems unresponsive, try a quick refresh. Sometimes the directory takes a moment to update. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Some workspaces limit the number of power-ups on free plans, so you might need to upgrade or disable another power-up first. Also, if you collaborate with a large team, let members know the power-up is enabled so everyone understands where the Gantt view is coming from and how it reflects your cards. That's it. You've enabled the Teamgantt Power-Up on your Trello board, setting you up to plan projects with clear timelines and dependencies. If you ever need to revisit this process, you can return to the Power-Ups panel at any time and review what's installed. Now you're ready to organize your cards on a timeline and keep your team aligned.